With the heart and soul of an artisan, with the determination of innovation to transform the development. Ruideer always adheres to the spirit of Swiss precision, German quality, and Chinese manufacturing. Zhuzhou Ruideer Intelligent Thermal Equipment Co., Ltd. Located in Ruideer Technology Park, Tianyuan District, Zhuzhou, Hunan Province. At present, Ruideer has developed core technologies of high temperature and high pressure and chemical vapor deposition with supplying vacuum sintering furnace, PVD coating furnace, and CVD coating furnace. The main products: Degreasing pressure sintering furnace, Degreasing vacuum sintering furnace, non-cermets sintering furnace, MIM stainless steel sintering furnace, high temperature and vacuum sintering furnace, vertical high temperature and pressure ceramic sintering furnace, CVD coating furnace, and other series of products. The gas pressure sintering furnace has been awarded National Manufacturing Champion product, widely used in cemented carbide, non-cermets, semiconductor, aerospace, automobile manufacturing, weapons, and other fields, exported to the US, Russia, Japan, EU, Ukraine, South Korea, Vietnam, and other countries, which making Ruideer a well-known brand in the industry.